Hi to everyone, let me show you how we do the drainage, subsurface drainage work. So first of all, when we do marking on the ground, so let me show you, that is a 9-inch cut. So we are going to mark that on ground for that, what we call it, slot. So we will first mark that 9-inch wide. So these trenches must be marked on the ground before you go for excavation. So there is a finished look, because in subsurface drainage we install the pipes in the slots, and then we fill those slots with the aggregate, 5 to 10 mm aggregate. So these slots must be properly dug, and that should be properly shaped. So to avoid irregular excavations or digging, you can say, or to avoid the irregular shape of the trench or the slot, you have to mark it properly on the ground. So this is the marking phase. Let me show you. Our green is this is the green side, so it is a, you can say, dog leg green, not dog leg, but that is a mango shape. So what we are going to do, the main line which is passing from the center through the center, this is the main line that is going straight to that black flag, and then that's going in on angle, 45-degree angle. So, and these are the secondary lines, which you can say laterals, which will pick the water from that remote area, and these will be all the filter pipes. So they are 5 meters apart from each other and they are all connected to the center line. Let me show you this one. So when the center line came here to this flag, then here we will put a 45-degree bend, and that will go straight to the end, and then again we have the left right laterals. So the width of the these laterals and main is 9 inches. So now you will ask me that why it is 9 inches. So let me show you the reasons. So this is the fittings of Schedule 40, which is used in so they will be installed like that, okay, in the center, and there will be 2-inch aggregate on this side and 2-inch aggregate on that side, on both sides. 2-inch at the base, 2-inch either side, all the way around. And these end cap, which is Schedule 40, they will be installed on each line end. So let's suppose that is our lateral end where the black flag is. So we will install there an end cap, right? In that way. So the 9 inches, actually we require only 8 inches, because 4 inches the pipe, and then 2-inch on either side, so 8 inch required. But 4-inch pipe means that internal dia is 4-inch. Now I am saying that that is internal dia 4-inch, not outer side. So when you go when there is a socket like this is 4-inch dia, but not that part, so that becomes 4.5 almost. So that's why we go for 9 inches cut. So these are Schedule 40 fittings which we'll use, and the pipe I will show you another video that we are using here in Class B pipe, Class B with Schedule 80, and I will show you the filter pipes, I will show you the slots, everything. So in my earlier vlog we have already mentioned about the surveying it, that how we do for herringbone. So you can see that this is herringbone structure. This is the farthest point from where we will start the pipe, and that will go onward, and lowest part is at the very far end. So before so once you dug the lines, then we put about 1 inch layer of small aggregate in the trench, and that will be around 1 inch thick. Here you can see the lines are dug already, and now we are putting there pouring some crush material, the aggregate, which is 5 to 10 mm crush aggregate, you can say. So once the 1 inch layer is done, then we are going to place the pipes, and once the filter pipe is in and properly jointed to each other, then we have to fill the remaining slot or the dug area, the trench, with the same size crush. Once that is done, then the complete surface area will be a 4 inch thick layer will be put on top of this entire area, and that will be 20, it's almost 19 mm, 15 to 19 mm crush layer. So let me show you the pipes. So these are the filter pipes. A video is already uploaded about these pipes. So this is class B, 4 inch, and 6 bar is its operating pressure, and this is manufacturing year 2022. And let me show you the slots. So here you can see the slots. There are 3 slots. So these slots will come up. It will be like this, like that. So one slide will be here on this side, and 2 slots will be on that side. The top portion will remain solid, and the bottom will remain solid. The top will remain solid because that it should not act like a venturi. So there is no venturi effect, otherwise it will suck the sand in the pipe. These are the fitting schedule 40 YT. These are the YTs which will be installed on these junctions. And these are the end caps. There will be an end cap at each top head, and these are the YTs. The angle is about 30 degree in it. So you can see now here, these are the end caps. This is the filter pipe, and we are going to start its installation. Okay. So there is no need for gluing, etc. No solvent, no glue, because this is the gravity fed, and when you will put it, just make sure that the slot is not on the very top. So it must be on an angle like that. The slot is here, it's not here, right? So one slot is there and one slot is here, and one is underneath. So here you can see it should be like that.
ਜਿਆਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਤੇ ਦੱਸ ਦੀ ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰਾਂ ਆਹੋ ਇੰਜਨ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੇ ਇਧਰ ਉੱਚੀ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ ਤੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਨਾ ਇਤਨਾ ਉੱਚੀ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਇੱਧਰ ਆਏਗਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਨਾ ਬੁੱਧੂ ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਣਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਣਾ ਇੱਧਰ ਉਸੇ ਬੈਕ ਲੈਣ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੂਰਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਚੱਲ ਕੱਟ ਦੇ ਚੱਲੇ
So here you can see
ਲੱਗੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਐਂਡ ਕੈਪ ਹਾਂ ਆਹੋ ਐਂਡ ਕੈਪ ਲਾਈ ਹੋ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਲੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਲਾਉਣ शुरू करते हैं हाँ जी